Welcome back to another episode of Boat Crashes, full of adventure and bad falls. Without any further delay, let's get started. Dude, wake up! There's a boat in front of you! Poor passengers. The boat decided to play the man today. This is hilarious.
Boom. Throttle is at full.
The guy is going to regret his decisions today. Best of luck, dude. Have you ever seen a boat flying? Watch this. A boat with no gas? Seems strange enough.
Okay, that's not supposed
I
to.
know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
They were clearly not ready for these waves. Best of luck, guys. Lower your speed, man. You're in a full mood of adventure, I guess. Damn, that was a bad fall. That was unexpected, though. Dude. Sir, just get off the boat and then fight. Thank God the police reached on time. Captains, get ready for the tea. Sir, don't drive a boat if you don't know how to. It's that simple. What a mess are they creating? Anybody here to help? Why are they not wearing life jackets? This is such an overloaded boat, man. Sir, either record or drive like a responsible driver. Grow up.
Whoa, hold on.
Dude, are you for real? This is the most hilarious video you'll see today.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This is such a small boat to blame. Sir, be careful, please. Have you ever watched the driver sleep while driving? Have a look. When you try boating for the first time, this is what happens. Damn, it was a near fall, dude. What a day for them. Why don't they check the systems before taking off? What an irresponsible security. These waves are huge, man. Where are their life jackets, though? What an inexperienced captain. Sir, don't you see the boat in front of you? These were some clips of the inexperienced drivers and their boat crashes. That's it for today. Until next time, take care!